Tangsalo Sadar Zella Congress ni Saktharmungbai Mahanpur Amchaio khlaijakha Kaisa Himbotok manjakha Congress ni haste asukphang Ashish Kumar Sahano khobai te kubun ojamarok Laithangni 31 October Shalmarini Shimi Hasini Kasa Montri Bokrok Indira Gandhi ni Thuimani Shalno Rugai Khlaijakmani Sangade Padayatra Atang Batangna Rugaino Tangsalo Mahanpur Amchaio Sadar Zella Congress ni Luaji Jakma bai Khlaijakha Kaisa Himbotok Talsa Romai Khlaijaknai Otang Batang Abahai Huni Shaka Congress ni Ojamarok
As per schedule of the Pradesh Congress Committee, Tripura Pradesh Congress Committee, the Tripura Pradesh Congress Committee has taken a decision or policy or to move throughout the state, in the blocks, in the district, for 1 month, about 1 month, since 31st October to 19th November, the 40th death anniversary of our beloved Prime Minister Bharat Ratna Srimati Indira Gandhi, and it will be ended on 15th November 2024. As a part of this program, today in Mahanpur, this area is called Amchaio. This is the program of today because it is Sangati Jatra. That is for unity. Non-tribal, tribal, SC, ST, everybody should be. And we have followed the Rahul Ji's Jatra, Bharat Joro Jatra, Bharat Joro Na Jatra. That is the alternative of the Rahul Ji's Jatra, and you can say pro Rahul Ji Jatra because Tripura Joro. This is called Sangati Jatra, means Tripura Joro. This Jatra will continue up to from Gamchakurbak to Nepunga. This program was sponsored by our district, West district, and program was taken by the Pradesh Congress Committee. And we all united to
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.